For the Dirt Derby round this weekend, the Rallycross circuits don't have a pit lane and we cannot give straight time penalties either. So, we will be issuing stop and go penalties for Phoenix, as you are seeing now, and then long lap penalties for the Daytona track used by Euro. Anyone given a penalty will be told via voice and chat, and it would be great if you could say car 55 penalty served once you have completed serving the penalty, so that we can check that it was done correctly and mark it as having been served. For international, if given a stop and go penalty, you will need to come to a complete stop near the start finish banner on the left. Please note you need to enter the penalty area after the final IRX banner to avoid taking shortcuts on the runoff as you take your penalty. After taking the penalty in either region, it will be considered a rejoin, so it is up to the car coming back onto the circuit to do so safely. Having said that, the penalty areas are in clear view for other drivers, so be sensible if you see a car taking a penalty as you approach. Now, these penalties may or may not be issued in the same heat or race that the incident occurs in, or it could be the following one, depending on how fast we can review the incident and also when it happens. Now, if the infraction is severe enough, a penalty of demotion to last in the race and so not progressing to the next round, or even post-event penalties may be given. The base penalty post-race, though, if you have been given a stop and go or long lap penalty that could not be served in race, will be 5 seconds. Now, you can now see the long lap penalty that will be used for the European event. A little different from the international in that you do not have to come to a complete stop. For this penalty to be served correctly, the driver must get all of their car on the outside of the IRX banners before rejoining the track. As I said, you do not need to come to a complete stop, and the banners are ghosts, so you can rejoin through any of them. The penalty system for the Americas event will use the end of line and drive-through systems as usual because there is a pit lane at Limaland. Feel free to ask any questions in the Discord if you have them.